Some memes are making a joke out of the daily experience of passengers taking the MRT. The memes imply trips could be as horrible as the train to Busan, referring to the popular zombie horror film. But for the new maintenance provider, Busan Universal Rail from South Korea, things are changing for the better.
At the beginning of the year, the MRT had only 40 coaches running. Service provider Busan Universal Rail says the number of coaches have risen to 62 after it took over the maintenance operations.
This means there are now 18 trains running daily, up from just 13 in January. The aim is to have 20 trains running before the year ends. Busan Universal Rail also completed its grinding of rails from North Avenue to Taft Avenue Station.
We were able to quadruple the rate of the tamping to 200 meters per night.
Busan says this means more comfort for the riding public. However, there are still a lot of challenges. CNN Philippines research data shows there have been more glitches in the recent months. Busan says it can't be blamed for every problem, as they're only in charge of maintaining and not operating the trains.
The primary reason we started this conversation with you guys is so that you can better understand our responsibility and we don't get blamed for what is not being heaped on us.
Busan adds it inherited older trains, and these are only suitable for street level and not light rail. Most passengers we talk to say their experience have really improved recently.
Mas okay siya ngayon, mas light kaysa nung January, February kasi crowded.
Some, however, are still looking for more improvements.
Sa fall-in line lang ng mga tao, medyo kasi hindi nasisegregate, walang proper line yung para sa pila.
The maintenance provider is hoping for more trains and more stations to give the public a better experience. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.